Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Ranger upper rebuildable ball joint. First you want to start by disassembling your ball joint. So unscrew the cap and then remove your boot. Now you can push up on your pin and remove your cup and your pin. Now all you have left is the base. If you're using a Thumper Fab universal ball joint holder, you'll need to install your ball joint adapter ring at this time. You'll start by putting a little bit of grease into your ball joint holder and a little bit of grease in your ball joint ring. Now you just want to visually check to make sure that your ring is fully seated and there are no gaps between the ring and the ball joint holder. Now you can press your ball joint base into the housing. Now we're ready to put your ball joint cup and your ball joint pin back into the ball joint base. Next, we'll put your cap and thread it on. Now you want to tighten your ball joint cap to 100 foot-pounds. Now, to adjust your ball joint, you will need to turn the Allen head screw until it bottoms out, and then adjust it to where you have no up and down play in your ball joint. So now you want your ball joint to be moved freely, but still have no up and down play. Now you're ready to install your ball joint boot and secure it with your zip tie. And cut off the access. You are now ready to install your Thumper Fab ball joint onto your unit. Thank you for choosing Thumper Fab.